Are you making changes to your Amazon listings and they're just not showing up? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix that. And if you stay towards the end, I'm going to show you how to make sure you are the brand owner of the listing. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. First, the answer is an inventory file update, which is not pretty. It's a little bit difficult to do. It's a little annoying, but it does solve the issue 99% of the time. And we're going to show you how to do that. So first, you're going to go into your Amazon Seller Central. You're simply going to go to reports, and then you're going to go to inventory reports. There's multiple ways to do this. I'm going to attempt to show you the fastest way to do this. And then you're going to go to category listings report, and you're going to request a report. If you don't see this, this means you're not a professional seller and you do need to upgrade to a professional seller. Right here, just make sure you go into your settings, account info, and make sure you are a professional seller, and you should be able to see this report and download this report. Next, you're just going to wait a second, and then you're going to refresh the page, and it should be ready to download. Once it's ready to download that report, and then open that report. We're going to open it together right here. And here's an example of one product. If you're going to have multiple products on there, just delete them, and I recommend to just focus on one product at a time. Okay, for this, once you have some success, you can do multiple products at a time, but let's just focus on one product at a time. So now you can see the listing status is active, right? I had multiple products, you just delete them, and then you just move them to the top, which is right now column 4 is technically the top. Column 1, 2, and 3, it's just Amazon's data. Next, what you want to do is click number 2, and it's going to open up everything. So now it's going to have your title. If you want to change your title, put that new title in here. Product type pretty much should stay the same. Seller SKU should stay the same. Brand name, if you wanted to change your brand name, this is your opportunity to change your brand name. And then now column F is extremely important. You do not want to do a partial update. It needs to be a full update. So you need to put update. This is going to be one of the most important parts. So if you're changing the title, let's say you change everything and you don't put update, it may never update. So you need to do, this is called a full update. Product exemption reason, this one's blanked out. Product ID type, right? So you might have to put, some things may be missing from here, right? So if you want to put the ASIN, put the ASIN in here. So to get the ASIN, we're going to go back, and I'm going to go to my inventory, and then it's this one right here. So I'm going to get my ASIN, and I'm going to plug it in right here. Boom. So there's maybe some areas that are missing. Fill them in if you think that they are important. The ones in blue right here at the beginning are the most important. So just make sure everything's filled in to the best of your ability. Manufacturer name, you want to change the manufacturer name. This is the product description, right? You want to change the product description. It's not going through, put it in here. Model number. And then here's the images. So the images are a little bit more difficult to change. Everything else you can kind of just plug and play, type it in, right? Make sure it's a full update and it will update. I'm going to show you that at the end, but the images are a little bit more difficult. So to change your images, which happens a lot, you need this special URL. My recommendation is to get an Amazon URL. So what you need to do, and again, there's multiple ways to do this. I'm just going to show you the fastest way. Is to go to your listing and then click edit. It doesn't have to be the same listing, it could be a different listing. But you're gonna click edit, and then you're gonna put the images in how you want them to look, right? So this is how I want them to look. I put all the images in. Let's say I want this to be the first image. I'm gonna right click this and click copy image address. Now it's gonna give me, look, I'm gonna put this in, and now it's going to give me a special address. It might be a little bit longer than this, but you're going to grab that address and then you're going to put that into here. Well, you can do right click and then just paste, keep text only. There you go. And now it will go through. So make sure you get that, and it's going to be an Amazon URL. Make sure you get that. Here's the second image, third image, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. And then if you wanted to update the swatch URL, you can put that in here. Again, filling out all the data to the best of your ability. Anything that's in yellow or red, you can zoom in, but make sure it kind of has it in here if possible. Actually, mainly the red. The yellow, I don't believe you have to fill out, so let's keep going. And make sure everything is in here. No red, I'm looking for red, I'm looking for red. Everything looks pretty solid. Everything else. So once you're done with that, let's say we were just updating our first image, you're gonna save. I'm gonna save it multiple times. Now we are going to get this file, we're gonna close it, and we're going to go back to Amazon Seller Central. And now simply we're going to upload this report. So you're gonna go, and you're gonna catalog, add products via upload. Again, if you can't see this, means you're not a professional seller. Make sure you upgrade, drag and upload your files. You're gonna upload that file here and simply submit the products, right? I'm not gonna actually do this because I'm not trying to update it, but what's going to happen is you're gonna submit your product, and then it's going to give you you're gonna go to spreadsheet upload status, and there's going to be a batch ID here, a batch ID. What you wanna do is copy that batch ID, and then you're going to contact Amazon Seller Central immediately after this. So you're gonna go to your help page, get help and resources, and we're gonna make two cases. You're gonna make an email only case, and you're going to call them. So let's make the email only case right away. So first we're gonna do, let's see if it's in here. My issue is not listed. Hi, please push my batch ID, and you're gonna put the batch ID number here through. I need my, what are you updating? Let's just say it's the first image. I need my first image to be pushed through and updated. Thank you. Click continue, and it might ask for batch ID, inventory file upload issue. This is going to be it. Contact an associate. You're gonna put your batch ID in here. You're gonna review and submit. That's gonna be the email. So that's number one. Number two is we wanna get somebody on the phone ASAP. And who you want to talk to is the catalog team. So we're gonna help with a new issue. So you have the first case open. Now we're going to do the second case. So we're gonna do, you can do title, bullet. Let's go back actually. We're just gonna change the issue. My issue is not listed. Hi Amazon, issue with my batch ID not going through. Please transfer to catalog team, batch ID. Now you're gonna give them the batch ID number, and you're also going to attach the file that you submitted. So you're gonna attach the original file submitted, and you're also going to attach the batch ID. You're gonna click continue, and then my issue is not listed, product or listing related. And this is your time to call the catalog team. So batch ID, and you're gonna put the XXX, transfer to catalog team. Now when you call them, say, hey, can you read, they're gonna say, what's the issue? You're gonna say, please read my description of the issue. They're gonna read it, and they're gonna say, oh, I see you wanna be transferred to the catalog team. Hopefully they'll transfer you. Just say, my batch ID isn't going through. I need somebody to help me with my batch ID. Then they're going to transfer you to the catalog team. Once you're speaking to the catalog team, just say, hey, is this the catalog team? They'll say yes. Then tell them the real issue. Say, here's my batch ID. I need my first image to be updated because my first image is not updating. And they should be able to fix it on the spot. Or they'll tell you what's wrong with your inventory file upload, and you can fix it on the call with them. Upload it, and then they can push it through faster than Amazon's system can. So once you do that, they can actually manually push everything through, and then within 24 hours, it'll be showing. So that's what you need to do to get that resolved. Thanks for staying until the end of the video, and a lot of issues come up with updating your listing because you're not considered the brand owner. So to become the brand owner, what you need to go do is go to brandregistry.amazon.com. Make sure you sign up with the same email and same password as your Seller Central account. Once you do that, you want to enroll a brand. You should have a trademark. That trademark should be attached to the same listing that you have. that you want to update. So whatever the brand name of that, you need to update the trademark of that brand name, and then you need to make sure that you are the brand owner. To make sure that you're the brand owner and Amazon sees you as the brand owner, you need to click access to selling benefits, right? And then you need to invite yourself as a selling account. And then you need to give yourself brand representative access. So let's say I'm trying to update my listing and it's under BuyerRift. You're gonna take a screenshot of this and show them, you're gonna click update, and then you're gonna give yourself brand representative access, and then screenshot it and then show Amazon you are the brand owner. Because they might say, hey, you're not the brand owner, we're not gonna update the listing, but you need to show them that you are the brand owner. And if you show them that your account is the brand owner, you're the brand representative, then it's much faster and much easier for them to push those updates through. That's it for today's video. I really appreciate you watching. And if you learned something new, please drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller or are soon going to be an Amazon seller, I recommend you subscribe to this channel because there's gonna be a lot of great topics that's gonna help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you're working every day, you're calling Amazon, you're trying to increase your sales, don't do that. Try to hire somebody like us, EHP Consulting Group, where we do full account management. We know what we're doing. We can help you increase your sales, call Amazon, so that way you can focus on creating new products, working on the business, expanding the business to Facebook, to Instagram, to Walmart, while we're doing the dirty work every day to make sure your life is good and your sales are increasing. We also offer full account management to make sure you're good to go. Hire EHP Consulting Group today. Signing out.